single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day I'm gonna make something great. That's my.
Hello everyone, compliment of the season and happy new year in advance. This is your girl Ujv Beauty. I want to wish you all the best as we enter 2022. We are going to enter this 2022 with blessings, with good health, with joy, happiness, and every good thing of life. I wish you all the best, and yes, stay safe with your family. Come 2022, you guys are going to be seeing a lot from Ujv Beauty, like this gorgeous wig that I am rocking. This is the new collection from Ujv Beauty, and it is Ujv Beauty 2 color wig. If you want to have this wig in any color of your choice, kindly, contact us. Any color of your choice at all. If it is blue, purple, pink, any color, UJV can give you this two-tone wig collection. This is my collection. Like, I found this collection, so you guys will be seeing more of this kind of wig come 2022 for UJV luxury wig. Keep saving the family. I love you all. Thank you so much for the love and support. Thank you for your compliments.
3. 1, 2, 3. Let's go. Let's go. Two, 3. One, 2, 3. Let's go.